Hey guys, Andrew Darlington with Veritas Risk Management here. One of the questions we get is how do I get a lower rate on my workers' comp? I'll answer that question in just a second. Okay, so how do you get a lower rate on your workers' comp? To answer that question, it's not necessarily just shopping and moving to another insurance company. There's basically three variables on your workers' comp policy that you have right now that can change your rate up and down. Okay, the first one is scheduled credit. Think of that as what the underwriter wants to do. In some states, they can add up to a 15% surcharge and a 15% credit. Do it. Other states, 25%. Some even a little bit more than that on workers' comp. General liability, generally you can go up to 50% up and down for pricing. So that's one. If you like the workers' comp company, you like your agent, you can say, hey, we're a better company than you think. Can you give us some credit? That's going to be listed generally as scheduled credit or scheduled modification on your workers' comp policy. So look at that number. And if it's a positive, that means they're surcharging you. If it's a negative, that means you're getting a discount. Now, a surcharge is not a bad thing, and a negative is not necessarily a good thing. Because if you look at one of the other videos I have, we talked about how insurance companies have different tiers of coverage. You might be on one of the higher tiers of coverage, and they're giving you a credit, or you could be on one of their lowest tiers of coverage, and they have to debit you to get where they need. So all credits are not great, and all debits are not horrible. It's just depending on where you are on those tiers. Okay, so that's number one. Number two is a drug-free workplace credit. Different states give different credits for a drug-free workplace. In Tennessee, it's a 5% drug-free workplace credit that you get, and you can get that in perpetuity as long as you continue to meet the requirements for that drug-free credit. Now, keep in mind, it is a Tennessee drug-free credit, not a Tennessee free drug credit. That's something I made up. I really like that one. If you comply with those rules, and we'll have a blog about that, about the drug-free workplace program, then you do get a 5% discount, and that's a nice deal. It's not near as bad to do as you might think, and so it's something that I would really encourage you to do because it has a lot of benefits doing the drug-free workplace program. So there's also what we call premium discount on your policy. A premium discount, what that does is any premium excess of $5,000, there's a 10.9% discount over that premium. So some policies are going to show premium discount, they'll show like 0.052 or whatever. They kind of blend it inside of there, but the way that it's actually calculated is any premium over $5,000 is 10.9% discount of that premium. That goes from $5,000 to $100,000, and then there's more discounts going forward on there. So those are the three discounts you get: your drug-free workplace, your scheduled credit, and then your premium discount. So if you do want to get your premium lower, drug-free is a great thing to do. It has a lot of other benefits other than this lower premium. But the scheduled credit is one way to do it, because if you like the carrier, you like your agent, you can say, hey, listen, we're a better than average machine shop. We're a better than average auto repair shop. We're a better than average landscaper. We've got this safety program in place. We do this training. Look at our claims. We haven't had any claims in 18 years. Give us some credit on this and put us in a better tier, and you can get your rate down. Most underwriters should be easy to deal with. If not, call us. Give us a shot on that. Conversely, if you've had a bunch of claims and you've had a bunch of claims paid out and a bunch of frequency and a bunch of severity and that type of thing, insurance companies are going to say, yeah, we're going to put a debit on there. And in certain situations, you better be glad you got a debit, because if you didn't, you'd be going to someone else with more premium if they non-renewed you. And that's another thing. One reason to stick with insurance companies over the long haul is if you've been profitable in the past and then you have a couple of bad years, they won't drop you because they say, hey, they've been with us a long time. We're going to go ahead and keep them. I had a couple of situations like that where profitable for a while and then had a bad streak. Had 5 or 6, 3 or 4 years with bad claims. Insurance company increased their premium, but they kept them. And so the premium is actually lower if they, even with doing those scheduled debits and the surcharges on there, than they could have gotten anywhere else. But two, now they were able to fix some of the things that were going on. Insurance company got more money, so they actually became profitable, and now they fixed things, and so now the premium's going down, and insurance company is rewarding them. So if you have other questions about that, call us. We're happy to help. 423 292-4142. You can also email us, help@veritasrm.com. You can text us at that same phone number, or you can go on our website, veritasrm.com, chat with us. Happy to help in any way we can. We do workers' comp. We love the opportunity to earn your business. We also do bonds, general liability, commercial auto, home auto, life, employee benefits, basically anything that ends in insurance, we can do, including Medicare supplements. Give us a holler back. We'd love to help in any way we can. Until next time, God bless.